All right. So right now I'm going to solve I'm doing the first one, which is the JadenSmith problem. So pretty much what it is capitalize the first letter of each word in a string. Now I've thought about this before. I haven't written anything down, but I've definitely thought about what I'm going to do in my head, and I think I have an idea of what I'm going to do. First thing is set some temporary variables, because I'm going to need somewhere to put the solution probably. And I figured out a lot of times in these, it's just safer to set a temp, like a variable just called temp, just if I need it. And if I don't need it, I just go ahead and get rid of it. Just going to write that down. There will be two of them. So solution and just temp, I guess. Like I said, I might not even use temp, but it's there if I need it. All right. After that, I'm going to split the string into an array, but I'm going to split it at the spaces so I can hone in on every single word. So into alrighty. Let me think about this. After that, I probably need to loop through. I need to loop through the array, and let me think about it before I write this down for one second. Okay, I just had to sit and think for a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loop through the array now, and at each iteration, set array. So I'm going to loop through the array, and I'm going to remove the first letter of each array, or of each index value, which is at each iteration set, I should say uppercase, at array I. Well, I'm going to just uppercase, obviously, the first letter of each word. And then I'm going to have that set to the value of array I. Set uppercase. That's probably not a good way to say that. At each iteration, set array I to equal So it's going to be a two-part equals. The first part is going to be the uppercase value of the first letter, and then I'm going to concact the rest of the string onto it, if that makes sense. Plus the rest of the string. All right, I probably didn't say that too well, but pretty much what's going to happen is I'm going to, for each index, I'm going to, each iteration, obviously, of the loop, I'm going to take just the first letter of each word, and I'm going to turn it into uppercase. All right, and then I'm going to add on the rest of its value. I'm going to use character at and then to uppercase to do that. Yeah, character at, that's what I was thinking. Then, of course, I'll concact the rest of the string onto it. And after that, I need to turn the array back into a string. I think I'm going to use join for that. There we go. Turn the array back into the string. Set it to the solution. Set it to the solution. And oops. There you go. And of course, let's turn the solution. All right, so that should be it. I think that's it, and I think I have all my thoughts in order. So let's start. Whoops. So just set solution to empty string. That's what our final solution is going to be in. I don't know why I did that twice. There we go. Set a temporary variable. I don't think I actually need it. See, every time I think I don't need one, I end up needing one. I'm going to set it, and if I need to get rid of it, I'll just get rid of it. I don't know if this is a bad habit. Maybe it is. I'll see. All right, and then I'm going to set temporary variable, split the string into an array at the space. All right, so let's do array equals. Sorry, my dog's barking. Sorry about that. My dog decided to bark at whatever he's barking at outside. So I paused it so he could finish barking. All right, so what I was doing is I was taking the string, splitting it up, and setting it to an array. All right. I probably need to define this first. Whoops. Here we go. String dot split at space. All right, and now let's check that. Oh, actually, let's do it this way. Turn array, and then what was the either way. Let me see, console dot. I can spell console. JadenSmith, and I'm gonna put a string into it from our chat, whichever one it was. Right? I know you gave an example. I don't want to use that one. There it is, right here. There we go. There we go. All right, and that's the example I used. It seems to work. Let's test this. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. So it's making it into an array and splitting up every single word. All right. Cool. Let's get rid of this. All right. So now I'm going to do my for loop. Is less than. Can't type today. I plus plus. Alrighty. Now let me see. At each iteration, set I equal to the uppercase value of the first letter. This is the tougher part. So array I equals. Let me see. Be quiet, Needle. Stop barking. Array I. Okay, so I need to do the character at 0 of the index. So array I dot. Makes me nervous. This thing doesn't fill in character at for me. I feel like it's wrong. Oh wait, it's not. It's supposed to be uppercase, I think. There we go. That's how it's supposed to look. And then index is 0 because it's the first letter of each index of the array. Goodness. And then I'm going to do the dot to uppercase. Just need that. So I'm going to check this, and what I think it's going to return now is I should get an array like I have down here, but instead of the words, it should just be the capitalized first letter of each word. And yep, so yeah, like H, C, M, B, Yeah, okay, yeah, that's right. Good, so that's working. I need the second part though. What is it? Plus, I need to add the rest of the string to it. So plus, I'm going to do, go back. I feel like I just deleted something I shouldn't have. Oh no, I didn't, I just moved the bracket. Let's do plus array number for each index. And then I'm going to slice. And since it's after the first index, which is 0, it's going to be 1. Whoops. 1. All right. So now, return array. I'm going to return the array, and this time I should get an array of every single word in the sentence capitalized, but I still need to return it to a string. Okay. Yep. I don't know why it's like that. Oh well. Cool. And then, last but not least, let's do array dot join. I should be able to join it to space. I'm not 100% sure this will work actually. Oh wait, no, I need to set this to solution actually. All right, there we go. And then, all right, and then I'm going to return a solution. So I'm going to join it to space, so it should work. I don't remember when I've done this before, but if it's in between two array, I think it should work. We'll see. Okay, cool. I'm not 100% sure how it worked, as in like I thought that the commas would still be there and I have to remove the commas. The commas aren't there because when I earlier I saw the commas. Maybe they just removed them. Either way, it worked. So all right, that's pretty much it. Let me know. I'll do each of these in individual videos now. I think that'll be the easiest, and just make a YouTube playlist. So all right, I'm gonna work on the next one. I've already read through the last two. The last two are really hard, but the next one shouldn't be too crazy. All right, thank you so much.